Hello kids, welcome to Junior's Earth, and today I'm gonna draw a helicopter. So at the beginning I wanna start with its radar dome. Beautifully done. And it's starting drawing its body. Okay, make one more line. Here is the first wing. Here's another one. Now it's time to draw its wheel. Let's draw its tail. And back wing. Okay, our drawing is completed now. Let's color it. Fill all its body with a blue color. All over the body with a dark blue, navy blue. Oh wow, using the same blue color for half portion of its wing. Okay, now cyan for the back wing and the rest of the wing that we left beginning. Oh wow, perfect. Yeah. Use the brown color for its wheel. And now it's time to use orange. Again using brown and orange. Red. This is looking like a cute flower, but it's not. Again brown And now cyan for the rest of its body. Okay, now black. Did you see that? I started with black and I finished with black. Oh my gosh, our helicopter is ready to take off. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.